So, thanks for accepting our invitation, sir. And it's really a big honor for us as a federation, as a country, to do this civil activity, which is very important. It's called Umuganda. Can you repeat? Umuganda. Umuganda. It's a Kinyarwanda. Umuganda is in Kinyarwanda, sorry. So, which means coming together for a purpose. So we join here in Umuganda. It's from our traditional roots. People have joined in the past to solve a problem, to address an issue, to make sure they contribute to economic growth and social and cultural growth. And today, it's become like mandatory to our country. Every last Saturday of the month, the people come together in their community. They try to do something which they work on purpose and will contribute to the sustainability of our country. So today, we have special community, international community with us. We wanted to join hands together so we can do something grateful for our country, our earth, and also this remains part of your legacy while you are here in Rwanda. So we are going to plant 3. The trees are here in the Federation. This is a beautiful building for FIFA Forward project. And we want you to leave a stone on this project of FIFA Forward. So, simple way, the MC will lead us to back there. You will find our community, people who are living surrounding here, to help you. Just 2 teams will have to plant 2 trees. Is it difficult? No. And guess what? Every time you will be coming here, next year, the next year, 10 years, you will find the tree names your country name. So we have a Macau tree, we have a Kenya tree here, we have Aruba, Estonia, Liechtenstein, Rwanda, and why not? We have officials here. Djibouti, Kenya again, Zanzibar, Tanzania, Aruba, and our president for SECAFA is also a president of Eritrea who is here. So let's do this activity. The MC will lead us, but before that, because we are not coming back here, we need to mind our time. I want to welcome the minister.
You've all been going through tough games and tough time, and we appreciate your time on the rest day to be with us in this very important action. As Fabrice mentioned, this is something which is not only an action, but is symbolic also in terms of our growth, in terms of Rwandan's history, and in terms of how we see our future. And this is even more important when sports community, we join ourselves, because we are the ones who are known to be the unifiers, the unique people who carry the message of growth, of peace, of prosperity and uniqueness, joining our hands together. So this is a symbolic day, but also it's a message that means a lot to us, that on a special day like this one, we are joined by this community. And under the theme of FIFA, which is unity, which is taking friendlyship. So we appreciate that you're joining your hands with us. I want also to emphasize that sport means a lot to the country of Rwanda, as we are gearing towards the time we commemorate the genocide against the Tutsi that happened in 1994. As you may be aware, from the 7th of April, we're starting the time of commemoration. And I wanted to remind and emphasize on how much sport played a big role in unifying Rwandans, in unity and healing and reconciliation. one of the actions that happened in the immediate aftermath of the genocide against the Tutsi is a game that happened at Pele Stadium, which used to be called Stade Regional. That was a very powerful moment because one of the stories I had that happened is that one relative was able to discover that his sibling was still alive in that game. So that shows how much sport has a value, and for Rwandans it carries not only the moment of cheering, but in a moment also of resilience. It's a moment of identity, it's a moment of pride, which I believe is also the same message with you. So today, it's not about Team Rwanda, it's not about Team Kenya, it's not about TZ, it's not about Macau, it's not about Leicester, not about Estonia or Grenada or Akua. It's now all of us. We are going to plant these trees in the sense of making history and in the sense of joining hands in terms of how we make beautiful our countries, our nation, but also thinking that at the end of the day, we are part of this global world as one people and as one individuals and all united. So I thank you again. And again, I take this opportunity to wish you a nice Saturday, a remaining stay of your time here that is fruitful. I wish you, all of you, success. I'm not going to speak about who I want to be the ones who are winning. You already know that. But now, as Minister of Sport, I have to be, neutral. So all the best to all the teams. And once again, thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Minister. Thank you.
Umuganda,
Buraya şaşırıyorsun.
wow. Uganda.
Uganda with Canada.
It's like this, and then you remove. You remove this. Remove. Then you just put in the soil.
Umuganda.
FIFA Series 3.
Yeah, here you go.
Now, mufatiri tio sasa.
FIFA Sekafa.
Umuganda.
Sekafa president.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Remove the paper.
Let's go. Your tree, yeah? That's your tree. That's your tree. Show you what we can do. That's your tree. Let's show them. We do like this.
What is it? It's a bit hard here.
Only woman here. Come.
Why are you being a spectator?
Allez. On vous encourage, hein?
So,
The Mauritania here.
Non, c'est pas plein.
this is going to be the most beautiful. Nice to meet you. It's going to be the most beautiful.
Voilà. Umuganda. Good. Now it's planned only for Mauritania. Now I can take them. Now I set it. Faut prendre des photos. Il faut montrer à Yahya que les Mauritaniens travaillent là.
Pas beaucoup, mais on travaille.
Good.
Et avec la qualité.
Voilà. Ok, c'est bon.
Umuganda. Thank you so much for returning. So have to send us. Go voice Ubuzima.
Referees.
Let's go, referees.
Where are others?
The others are coming.
Others are still on the
Retired chairman of referee. Yes. Okay, go. The three is already gone.
Umuganda, let's see your thumbs up. Umuganda.
You should give him himself. Himself, we have to finish. Mimi napanda wa Zanzibar huko. Zanzibar huko tunakuja.
Only him.
Yeah.
Umuganda.
Thank you.
Okay. I'm fine.
Leave him only career to finish.
When I come back 10 years from now, I said this is Zanzibar. Umuganda. Ziko kwa mfuko. Take the plastic out.
Thank you.
Join.
Thank you, coach. Thank you so much.
So let's take the picture.
Yeah.
Umuganda. Asante Tanzania. Umuganda.
Say it in your language.
Hey, photo. Imbura.
Umuganda. Thank you. Umuganda. Thanks so much. Shukran.